Lamsongnai tongnai takok te bukok song jeng tini bohai no hai ketal update tu bui phaika SIHMO je o Institute of Hotel Management no tuyei poriu nani musungnai ro bongni bagai belai no tei bo kaham kothoma tini hai no hai tu bui phaika ngai chin logi tongo borom kanang sani khotui jeng kaisa kaisa ke selain sar tabungni update bo bahai tong sagra
अच्छा चिनिमो स्टेट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट टाकलाई बाई बिसिकनि एकाडेमिक इयार नि चलिनाय ताबुक चिनरो एडमिशन नि प्रोसेस चलि दङ डिग्री ते डिप्लोमा नि आरो ओंखाय आबुनि बागै चिनरो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम रगंगो डिग्री नि बागै ते डिप्लोमा नि बागै डाइरेक्टली एडमिशन जों नावै दङ ओंखाय abo badebo chinimo state institute of hotel management kaisa recognized by National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology under Ministry of Tourism ni under tai jara degree khane rok bongni degree mannai JNU ni degree mannai
mai tabung nongoro jodino admission na thangangke bo bahai ro criteria rok ma fulfill ma khane
au admission ni criteria khai omo hai chinoro BSc HSA kaisa chinor degree program sing offer khlai tongo BSc SSA program ni bagai degree o jodi admission nana thangkai candidate minimum bini educational qualification higher secondary pass singna nangnai in any stream science arts commerce jasapan cholibo bo kaisa entrance exam conducted by National Council ni o exam bo appear na nangnai qualifying na nangnai aboni pore bo admission as per UGC norms onujai NCHMCT ro kaisa exam conduct khlai tongo through entrance exam tei sing degree o admission khlai tongo angkai diploma ni bagai ingkai sing direct admission nawi tongo diploma ni bagai bo qualification same no higher secondary pass in any stream abo rokai borok direct admission ngi mano tei bongni certificate angkai result tongo National Council for Hotel Management iti NCHMCT
gai scholarship rong ne bahe nongro available to deto
acha scholarship je kono degree ba diploma program no scholarship manai tongo mo haina sini mo hotel management program o jara degree porinai borok bo scholarship ni borok sab rok mannai as per government norms kubuni jemon engineering ba medical ba onnanno general degree college of porinai rok haino borok jara reserve category ni borok scholarship ni sab mannai
nge a bisingo tabo admission jodi no khana thangangke bo process ti khaiman online ti rogo bade ban bo bhai aboke
au admission ni process hangkai chinoro kaisa tongo online process jeta directly through NTA exam conduct ngai tong te kaisa tongo chung through institute level te chung abo bongni jara interested candidate rok institute to visit khlai kangkai bongni documents ba details jokhon submit kaima pore angkai bongni details candidate uni details ong chung council o chung compile khai pathok khai council o kaisa date borok exam conduct khlaio kaisa all over India o omo haike bongni admission nang abon pore qualified jeng khangkai bo degree go admission nai
busuk qualification nang busuk mane jara class 8 pass phanang ha tabo borok te por lian no hain tongo borok admission borok hai admission nai de man
au jara 8 pass borok le degree ba diploma o nai maya কিন্তু 8 pass rong ni bagai ingkangkai sinoro kwbangma skill development training program khlaijagai tongo hospitality pan hindi production pan hindi F&B service omhai rogo borok admission nai mano kintu degree te diploma ni bagai ingkangkai admission na thangkai minimum boni qualification higher secondary pass na nangnai
te job assurance rong non yagoto de
au tabuk ang nai tongnai jara guardian roksono ang omo haino sana musungo kwbangma student kwbangma line of pori tong ba general line of hindi BA BCom BSc ba engineering o kwbangma branch tongo civil electronics electrical computer abo jotono saimani tongo ba MBBS BDS jasapangka BAMS kwbangma program omo haino chinmo bo kaisa BSc HSA program bachelor of science hotel and hospitality administration jara chinoro porinai bobo kaisa jodi degree o admission na khai bobo kaisa bachelor degree bo complete ngai mane bo oro graduate ngai bachelor ti angkai tau ang sana thangma naimakai haise jara chini oro pori nai bo kubuni degree college of pori ui je degree complete ma hai bo kaisa certified degree no mane graduate aro kono kebuni kom niche kre angkai tau bobo borok je jagao apply khayo ba job ni kabang ma jagao thongo jemon general kaisa je kono borok ni apply khaima mane apti exam botong suppose rom de je kono TPSC exam phangkha banking exam phangkha civil service ni exam phangkha ba je kono any graduate nango hima jaga rakobo bui haina bobori mannai plus cinema hotel management program ga kaisa buini sele onek advantage kaita mongnai immediate brok course paimani pore no kaisa brok jeng 100% jeng star category hotel jeng bongno jeng placement chinoron theke placement rijak nai hangkai abono compare to kubuni program rok onek advantage tamno oro kabangma boro siki mannai oro porikha hangkai bini hospitality buibai bahai tongnani kok sanani interview bahai buibai bini communication khainani kabangma hangkai obo badebo kabangma sini award phatarago thangai foreign robo placement khainaron onek sapsap thongo jodi student musung kangkai abobo sapsap nai mano pia baro kisa bungni kisa rangte kisa bunchile bisi nawi brok internship roma khlainai apsuk no phero kintu onek advantage ang abo bagen chana nayo kubuni kabangma program khaya kari omohai program rogo chrai khonai rokno khari gangkai onek bongni future onek kaham nai
admission no ta choli da
acha admission gangkai degree diploma dunuta ona chinoro tabuk admission choli tongo abo July jora choli nai angkai te degree nibo abo te uisa bongni jeng jara application rimani pore angkai jeng online ba bongni over mail ti jeng bufuru exam conduct nai abo jeng bongno janogiri nai abon pore kaisa date exam online exam khangkai borok approve phai exam rima pore borok ni result out ma pore borok admission nai manai
ngai norok khanai no mangkhana tabuk o jagao jeng screen no number renai jara oro admission nangmo jengnai nurse tei engineer rok thangyawui jara hotel management no tei pod namo jengnai rok ni bagui tini obahai chef tabo SIHM ni bukhakti reui tango obonga Khairpur bypass Nagisora o amche noboglayo jeng number tei location bo screen no rewano nai tongni jagari dong tibe ang no login rok ni taku baskar tei tongo chini sarnin sinum kisari
ang oroni head admin Pankaj Deborma